hot today. I feel like I'm melting into a puddle of fur. If only there was a way to cool down. Oh my god! This is my first time feeling this cool breeze. It's like bunny paradise in here. I had no idea this thing even existed. If I did, I would have set up camp here for the whole day. Well, at least I've got to thank my human for introducing me to this fabulous item. You'll get a little treat from me later. Living the dream. Cool air on my fur and all the veggies in the fridge. Hey, can you take out those veggies for me? I'm feeling hungry. In the meantime, I'll just hang out near the fridge. What? Just one tiny piece of veggies? Forget it. I think I'll stick with the cool air. Tomato, you're too kind, human. But wait, why did you give me an unopened box of tomatoes? I'll show you how it's done. Opening this will be a walk in the park.
Five minutes later.
What are you smirking at? You think this is hilarious, don't you? Come on, take out the veggies for me, can't you? I'm breaking a sweat right now, and I need to get back to my cool air before I turn into a melted mess. Folks, that's a wrap for today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed watching me navigate the tough choices between veggies and cool air. Tough bunny life, am I right? Remember to subscribe for more bunny shenanigans and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've ever had to choose between snacks and staying cool like me. Until next time, keep hopping and stay fabulous. See ya next time!